What is the best space heaters for large rooms? Here are my full reviews of the best space heaters for large rooms. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 1. Duraflame DFI 50103D Electric Fireplace Stove. This infrared quartz fireplace stove looks like an antique wood-burning fireplace. It's aesthetically pleasing and, unlike most space heaters, will add to your decor because it's such a nice piece. Its 3D flame effect makes it look like a real fire, and you can use this function with or without the heat, and the power behind this model will keep you toasty warm. Looks aside, this Duraflame model comes in first place for our best space heater for a large room. It can heat up to 1,000 square feet. It's probably ideal for heating a room that is between 500 and 750 square feet, but that extra power will make a huge difference in large drafty rooms with high ceilings like many modern living rooms. My favorite feature is that the digital thermostat and knobs are hidden by the fireplace door. From a distance, your friends will really think you have an old wood-burning fireplace. With the door open, you can easily change the settings with the included remote control, which means less getting up from your Netflix show and more staying cozy on the couch. Duraflame has used a new, safer plug method on this model that will turn off all functionality if the plug reaches a certain temperature. I also appreciate that it is a cool touch model, meaning that it's safe to use around children and pets without too much worry. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 2. Touchstone Sideline Electric Fireplace. We are loving the Touchstone Sideline recessed mounted electric fireplace. It is such a modern contemporary heater and the best heater for extra large rooms like your master bedroom or family den. Your guests will have no idea that this isn't a fixture built into your home, but an easy-to-install electric panel heater. As the product is £59, you will likely want a person or two to help you secure the panel into place. If you're not ready to make a permanent recess in your wall, the unit has several eyelet hooks that can be used for wall mounting so that you can get a better idea of the look. I wouldn't recommend this as a permanent solution, though. A truly impressive feature of this space heater is its authentic-looking flames that can be set to 5 different brightness settings, creating an ambiance for any mood you'd like to set. There are 2 heat settings, high and low, but you can also run the fireplace without heat, just for that ambient glow. An adjustable timer allows you to set the unit to turn off automatically after a range of 30 minutes to 7.5 hours. We reviewed the 50 black version of this recessed electric fireplace, but when you shop on Amazon, you can choose between 12 different sizes and styles, ranging from 28 inches all the way up to 100 inches and with different finishes. The manufacturer offers a 1-year warranty with this electric panel heater, but you also have the option to extend this warranty by 1 or 2 years for a nominal fee. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 3. DeLonghi Mica HMP1500 Thermic Panel Heater. DeLonghi is a company known for its nearly silent space heaters, and this Mica panel heater is no exception. The unit is so slim and so hot, literally, that it will easily fit in any room for a reliable heat source. I personally can't get over how much heat this model puts off for a model that is just about as wide as a flat-screen television. For a closed-off room of about 300 square feet, this space heater will give you plenty of warmth, and larger rooms could easily use 2 of these units on opposite sides, as they are so quiet you won't be able to tell if they are on or not. The only general complaint with this DeLonghi space heater is that it requires several hours of off-gassing before use. This basically means plugging it in outside or in an open garage where it can run for a couple of hours and burn off the chemical smell from manufacturing. If you skip this very important step during setup, you'll be sorry. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 4. Dyna-Glo WK24BK Heater for Large Rooms. The best convection heater for large rooms of up to 1,000 square feet is the Dyna-Glo WK24BK. This is our favorite choice for backup heat during a power outage or to take along to an unheated cabin because it requires zero electricity. This Dyna-Glo model runs entirely on kerosene, and batteries for ignition. A built-in fuel tank with a 1.9-gallon capacity is easy to lift out for refueling, and each full tank will provide 8 to 12 hours of runtime. Kerosene may not be as readily available and affordable as propane, but especially in emergencies, there is no better option. Kerosene will burn strongly and provide you with an intense amount of heat, making this Dyna-Glo model up to 99.9% efficient and will heat up your large space in no time. A reviewer on Lowe's says, "I live in a 1000 SQF house. This heater warms up the house in 2 hours. It increased the house temp by 6 to 8 degrees. My family feels warmer with this heater than our own central heating system." What we really appreciate about this convection space heater is that it is incredibly easy to use. There is an automatic push-button ignition on the side and a simple one-touch shutoff as well. And while there isn't a child lock to disable these features should little hands come exploring, you can rest assured knowing that the heater has a safety grille, cool top design, and will also automatically turn off if it is tipped over. Style may not be as important as quick and efficient heating, but this model also comes in white if that better suits your preferences. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 5. Lasko 6405 Designer Oscillating Heater. This oscillating ceramic space heater by Lasko looks more like a decor element than a heater with its sturdy pedestal and vase-like design and would make a great addition to any large living area that needs a little extra boost in heat. I love that it has a neutral color that will fit into any home, and that it looks like a heavy-duty structure but weighs just over 7 pounds. The controls on this model are crystal clear and located right on top, making it easy to use. I love the oscillating fan function because it seems to help distribute heat more evenly throughout the room. One thing that is a little misleading about this product is that the pictures fail to show the power cord. This is an electric unit that has a 6-foot power cord. It's not unsightly, but you won't be able to put it in the middle of a room like some of the pictures might suggest. Our brand states it can heat up to 1,000 square feet, but in reality, we found it suitable for much smaller spaces. For this reason, we believe it is the best oscillating space heater and the best heater for 300 square feet rooms. If you want to buy this product, link in the description.